Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate average monthly sale in Excel. So here I'm using the two different methods to calculate the average of sales amount. So let's start the first one. So select the sale is equal to type here average, select the average function, then select the range of data. So here I select the entire column, bracket closed and enter. Here you can see the average amount here calculated. And in the second method, without average function, select the cell, use is equal to, type your sum function, and select the range of data, sales amount, bracket close divided by count function. So type here count, select the count function, select the range of data, then bracket closed and enter. And here you can see average amount here calculated same as above. Okay. And next here, I'm going to calculate the performance in status like above average, below average. So I select here the sale used is equal to, and here I'm using the if function and select here the B2 sales amount, use the greater than sign is equal to, select the average amount. So here I select the average amount E3, then press the F4 to fix the average amount, then use the comma in double quote, type here above average, and then type here window key plus dot to open the emoji dialog box. I just drag here and select here the small chart. I select the chart increasing, then use the double quote, close this emoji, then use the comma double quote, type here below average, then again press the window key dot to open the emoji. Just scroll down and here I select the down chart, below chart. Okay. Then I close this emoji dialog box. Then use here the double quote, bracket closed and enter. And that's it. You can see the sales amount below average. I double click on this corner point and here you can see the all performance status here showing of every sales amount monthly basis. Okay. So monthly below average the sales amount here shown. Then in April, you can see above average the sales amount here showing. Okay. And the last here, the one bonus trick, highlight the sales amount column with conditional formatting. So let's start. So here, select the first entire sales amount column. Then go to the Home tab. In Styles group, click on the conditional formatting. Then click on the top or bottom rows. Then click on the above average. Then here the dialog box is open above average. Then select the color. Just click on this drop down arrow. I select here the green field with the dark green text. After that, click on OK. You can see the above average amount, the green color field. Again, go to the conditional formatting. Click on the top or bottom rows and click on now below average. The other one dialog box is open for below average. Click on this drop down arrow and select one color. So I select the light red field with dark red text. After that, click on OK. Now you can see the below average performance here field in the red color. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe to channel. Thank you.